Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rinki Batreja from Matla Reels Indore. Before we start our tutorial, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out our any updates. So let's start. This is the wooden MDF desk calendar with clock. To purchase it, link is given in the description box below. First of all, we will primer the base with the help of gesso. Paint it well on whole surface. Take black chalk paint and paint both the blocks with the black color. On all sides. Take the rectangular piece and paint it with yellow chalk paint. Color choices totally depend on yours. I have taken black and yellow color chalk paint of combination. Paint the whole base with yellow chalk paint. Place the dial and mark it where you want to place the dial. This is the decoupage paper I have taken and cut the round shape exactly size of the dial. Mark 1 inches of lines to give a panel effect or a stripe effect. This is the masking tape I have taken. Place the tape in alternate segments. So that we will get this stripping method. In this way you have to cover alternate stripes. Paint the black color on alternate stripes. In this way our black color is completed. After complete dry, remove the masking tape so you will get the stripes effect on your wooden base. Now take the block and this is the crackle medium I have taken. Give the proper coat of crackle medium on all the sides. Give the thick coat to get the proper crackle effect. After complete dry, take the yellow color and paint it well in one direction so that you will get the perfect crackles. On all sides you have to complete this crackle effect. I have written down the numbers On one block I have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on other blocks 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 6 is the opposite number, so you have to take the number 6 and 9 as a one number. Now paint it black, each number. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. The links are given in the description box below. On the rectangular pieces, I have written down the month's name and I am painted it black with the help of thin brush. In this way, you have to written all the months in all three blocks. In each side, you have to write the one month. After this, I am giving a dry brushing effect on the whole panel with the help of grey color. This is the stencil brush I am using. You have to remove all the excess color from the brush and give it a dry brushing effect. No excessive color should be there in the brush. Take the sandpaper to give a sanding look on the base. Sand it well on the whole base and give a splatter look with the help of black color. Take black color and little bit of water, dilute it well and splatter the black color on whole base. Now take the white color, dilute it in water, and again in the same way you have to splatter the white color on the whole base. So it will give you very grungy look. Take the dial and paint it black with the help of chalk paint. This is the decoupage paper. I have cut it down in the size of dial. Stick the paper with the help of decoupage glue. Apply a well coat of decoupage glue with the help of brush. Place it in the center and remove the creases with the help of credit card or any West card. Give the dry brushing on the dial with the help of grey color because we have taken three different colors, yellow, black and grey. Place the dial in the center with the help of glue. I have completed the numbers. To give little bit of more look, I have also splattered it on the rectangular pieces. Give the dry brushing on the edges of the block. Now to give the more effective look, I am giving a stencil look with the help of white color. finished look. Now my stenciling part is completed, and this is the final look of my DIY calendar. I hope you like the videos. Stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials in future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.